Today we have the 2017 Audi A5. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our 3-zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.